Welcome to the installation video for the Fabric Finder app. After registration, you would have received a welcome email on your registered email. This email contains your app login ID and password. Below the password, there is app link. You have to copy the link and paste it in your web browser like Google Chrome. Please pay attention. You have to copy and paste the link in your web browser of your mobile phone. On pressing the enter button, you will see the option to download the app. Download it. You may enlarge the screen now. Again, you will see a button stating download anyway. Tap on it. There are chances that you may see the download anyway message for the third time. Tap on it. Then you will see the message file downloaded. Besides it, you will see a button mentioning open. Tap on it. If you do not see the file downloaded message and the button open, click on the three dots on the top right corner of your mobile phone and then click on the downloads section. Click on the Fabric Finder app and install it. It will take few seconds and then you will see the message app installed. Click on open. Now input your login ID and password to get into the app. The login ID and password are in the welcome email. Thanks for watching the video.